Imagine a world where migratory birds are the unsung heroes of ecosystem health. Scientists have developed a groundbreaking technology that tracks these birds' flight paths and nutrient deposits. This tech reveals how birds transfer essential nutrients, like nitrogen and phosphorus, between ecosystems, boosting plant growth and biodiversity. By understanding these patterns, conservationists can enhance habitat restoration efforts, ensuring ecosystems thrive. This innovation not only highlights the intricate balance of nature, but also showcases the potential of technology to preserve our planet's health. Ready to explore how tech and nature unite?